Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Subrato Dasgupta. Today's video tutorial we will discuss how to play Summer of '69, a wonderful song from the legend Bryan Adams. Let's the intro first. The intro section. Let's So the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, 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 down. This is a electric guitar power chord. We can play also in acoustic guitar in similar way, and it is very easily. Look carefully, sir. So, 2 power stroke, 2 power down stroke, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's the timing. So, the first bar stroke on 1 and the second one is second and 1 and 2 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 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so this 2 power stroke and rest of this on soft. We should play on this time in muse time. So if you put your palm this section, if you put your palm just over the bridge, just the end corner, the last extreme corner is this bridge. So, you know, one and two and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and look at the chord. D and A. This E, A. G major, A major. This C. So D and A, D and A, D and A, D and A. So first 4 and 4 line, okay? And then the pattern. There's a B minor, A, D, and G. Once again. B minor, la 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 re. A major, D la 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 G. B minor, la 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 A. La 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 D G. La 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 re. La 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 la. The strumming pattern, down up, down up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And important. The first chord D sus2, then D, D sus4, then D, then D sus2 and D. So the melody is E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, F sharp. In similar fashion, on A sus2, A major, A sus4, A major, A sus2 and A major. So once again, on D, on A, so in tempo 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next portion is la 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 F, B flat major and C major. So